Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you exactly how to increase your Botim wallet limit in under 5 minutes. So number 1, open Botim, then tap wallet, then tap increase limit, usually under your balance, then select upgrade now, choose your nationality, then upload document, Emirates ID or passport, front or back, then selfie, live camera check. Pro tip, use natural light for your selfie to avoid rejections. Review all details, hit submit, wait 24 to 48 hours for approval, check email or app notifications. If rejected, resubmit immediately. Typos in your name or ID number are the number one cause. Success, your new limits appear instantly. Daily up to 20,000 dirhams, monthly up to 50,000 dirhams. Still pending, contact support via Botim. Settings, then help center, then wallet limit. Stuck, check this. Are your documents clear and unexpired? Is your app updated? Go to Play Store or App Store and check it out. Using VPN, turn it off, it blocks verification, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.